It's my life. Lazy. It's my life.
Hi, and you are watching on my science team. Today, we're going to discuss about the rainbow. Very good. So what is rainbow? According to National Geographic, rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon that caused by reflection, refraction, and dispersion of light in water droplets, resulting in spectrum of light. Rainbow are one of the most beautiful natural phenomena there is, and mostly, rainbow are sees comes after the rain. And here, I'm going to discuss about the variation of rainbow. And since there are a lot of them, I'm going to choose the four most likely rare variation of rainbow. So first is fog bow occurs when fog or a small cloud experience sunlight passing through them. It diffracts the lights when droplets of moisture from the fog work. Usually, fog bows found in places where the fog in the air is very thin and also above any body of water. As you can see, that fog bows has fainter color than the rainbow, since it is because of the size of the droplets of the fog are much smaller than the droplets of the rain. The next variation of rainbow is lunar. Lunar is also known as moonbow. It is an unusual sight and occurs during the lunar month. To make this event occur, it must be that moon almost fully lit up so that this type of rainbow is formed. It also appears as white as arc. So the next variation of rainbow is the double rainbow. This phenomenon is not very rare for us since we experience to see this in the sky. Apparently, double rainbow occurs when the light is being reflected twice in the droplets of rain. It means you can see that two different reflections coming from the different angles. So that is. And mostly, the double rainbow is a faint color and appears above the primary one. So the last variation I'm going to discuss is the monochrome rainbow. Monochrome rainbow is the rare variation among the other variation. Usually, it appears in sunset or in sunrise. Since sunlight travels further in the atmosphere, only longer wavelengths are visible in the rainbow like red, while these shorter wavelengths like blue and violet have been scattered. Since we are done discussing the variation of rainbow, and we're going down to the rainbow's myth. Rainbows are parts of the myths of many cultures around the world. It portrays as bridges of supernatural being and human being. One of the examples here is Norse mythology. They call the rainbow as Bifrost, which connects Earth with Asgard, where gods live. In Japan and Gabon, in their ancient beliefs that rainbows were the bridges that human ancestors took the descendants to the planet. However, some part of the world sees rainbow and symbolizes it as negative. Like for Burma, they symbolize rainbow as a demon, which threatens children, and in Amazon, they symbolize rainbow as a disease. But the most common myth about the rainbow is the Irish legend, in which it tells that there is a pot of gold in the end of the rainbow and there is a monster who guarded it. Since rainbow in reality has no end, no one ever find the gold nor the magical creature. In Philippine setting, one of the most common myth about the rainbow is that when you see a rainbow, and you pointed it, your finger will be cut. So to avoid this, you should bite your finger, then you have still complete hands or fingers. And that's the end of my discussion, and I am John Christian Sabal, and see you in my next video in my science thing. Bye-bye!